Yo, what's good, guys? I'm sure you've heard this tag. Yep, so today we're going to be making a beat like Ozedikus. Ozedikus is an amazing producer. He has produced lots and lots of hits, so a big shout out to him. He just dropped a recent song titled Ifoma. So without wasting time, guys, let's go right into our DAW and start working on this beat. Alright, so I'm just going to drag in the vocals, and I dropped a video on my Instagram, and on my TikTok showing you guys how I actually get these nice, clean vocals, how I use Audimi to get such amazing vocals, guys. Yeah, sounding really nice. I'm just gonna bring down the gain a little bit. I think -6 dB, and the tempo of the song is 108. So I'm just gonna drag the whole tempo to 108 BPM. I never see it. Yeah, so we have something like this. Yeah, send it to my mixer, and all I just need to do, the normal, is just to add in some EQ and pop lit reverb. So I'm just gonna use the EQ to take out some low ends and just bring in the pop lit. And if you're on the Patreon, you already have access to all this, So let's just bring the gain. Nice. So the next thing we're gonna go is creating the melodies, and shout out to Champi. I've sent him the vibe and he created the exact guitar melodies, and I think that was the only melody in that beat, man, just the guitar melody. So I'm just gonna drag in the guitar. Yeah, it was a live guitar that was actually played, so that's why I had to just get a guitarist to give me that exact guitar vibe, and Sean P just killed it. So yeah, I'm just gonna send this to my mixer, and I'm just gonna use my EQ to take out some of the lows, so it doesn't conflict with the bass when I start putting in the bass. I'm gonna use my EQ, my dynamic EQ, and just try to cut out some frequencies, guys. So I think I'm just gonna cut this. And whatever I do is just basically my own preference. You can do something different, just how you feel. But this is just the way, I feel. So I'm still gonna cut out some of the lows because I feel like alright, so let's just listen to it. I think the vocal is fast. Let me just shift later. So for the drums, it started with this vibe, and we can get these shakers from Sabar Sounds. Yeah, so this is the shaker that I started with. So. Alright, so I have this nice rim shots. So just create our rim pattern, and let's just align that. So let's go with so just this normal bounce. Then the next thing is this nice soft kick. So just it's just a steady kick. So just something like this. So I'm just gonna go to my piano roll and just increase the velocity. So we have and don't forget to always have your soft clipper, just to keep everything in check. Then there's this nice shakers that you can get on Splice, and this is what shakers sounds like. Yep, so I'm just gonna drag that in also, and just bring down the volume a little bit, and just make sure it's stretched and on 4 bars. So the next thing I'm just gonna add is some random percussions. I'm just gonna add. So let me just try to put it. Yeah, something like this. So the next thing we have there is the bass. So and for the bass, it has this realistic kind of bass, and I'm just gonna go over to Trillion Bass, and the preset is actually called Clean Fender Mute. It's just a very simple bass groove, and let's quickly just arrange that. All right, so we start with, yeah, let's go down. Yeah, with this, something like this. Yeah, let's just shorten this. I talked about, having some articulations when playing your bass. It gives you that realistic feel. So that's just what I'm trying to emulate right here. To have this. Yes, something like this. Then we have some of these notes again right here. So here to have that note down, down. Yeah, so I think let's add something here to just. So yeah, let's just hear the bass and the drums. So this is what the bass and the drum sounds like. So you can hear the articulations in the bass there. You can hear the articulations. I love that. So I'm gonna send this to my mixer. I change my kick and my bass, and this is how I do it. I come under my kick, just I change with my bass. So most times I always put it close to the bass so that it can be easy. Then come over to my bass, bring in the fruity limiter, come over to the compression section and just see this sidechain. Right click. If you've sidechained it well, you see the name of your kick over here. Select it, then just bring the threshold down. Increase the ratio, just basically based on what you think or based on what your ear is hearing. So I'm just trying to make the kick shine over the bass, basically. We had a change of bass over here with some more percussion. So I'm just going to go over to this pack to get some more percussion. Dr. Set. So there's this nice percussion groove. Yeah, so this percussion groove came in. So we have this. So for that bass, what I'm going to be using is the sub boom bass category, and just select this, a journey in bass and more. Yeah, so I'm gonna put that here. So it's basically like the same. The bass is almost like the same thing. So I think it's basically the same notes. I'm just going to copy everything, shift it over here. What I'm just going to change is this note, take it an octave lower. So I have this. I think this note changed. Nice. So let's see the vocals.
Even you Ozedikus you want it, no baby brother. I want to finish for you.
Yeah. So nice. Next thing I'm gonna bring is there's this flute that was in the jam, and I'm gonna be using this flute called Embatun. This is the flute, and this is what it sounds like. So something like this. Then the next part, it went an octave higher. Yeah. Then have yeah, something like. Yeah, this is like one of the simplest beats, you can see, very simple. So next thing I'm just gonna try to just mix my sound so it sounds really nice. And guys, I'm gonna be introducing you to this amazing plugin called Real Phones. I've been using Real Phones of late, and in case you're struggling to make your mix really translate well on devices such as phone, laptops, TV, Bluetooth speakers, Real Phone got you covered. And with my code, basically, you're getting 60% off. So definitely you want to go try out Real Phones. So before then, let me just show you guys how you can actually use Real Phones. So with Real Phones, I've gotten my mix to a certain level. All I just need to do is, put in Real Phones as the last plugin on my, insert. So this is Real Phones over here. Yeah, but this is Real Phones, and Real Phones support over 200, different types of headphones. So, for the sake of this video right now, I'm just gonna pick the studio close so you guys can actually hear how Real Phone works. So, with Real Phones right now, I can emulate various environments. So I can just preview how this is gonna sound on a smartphone, for example. I can hear my kick. My voice is also affected. I can hear my kick. I can hear basically everything. I can hear my vocals. So whenever I finish making my beats, I just load in Real Phones to just hear how it's gonna translate in various environments, and then I can make some adjustments. So I could decide to also see how it's gonna sound in like a big studio. So let's go to like a music studio. Yeah. So this is a music studio environment. How it's gonna sound near, mid, far, Yeah, so let's just play the beat. So let's check another environment. Various environment, guys. You're gonna really enjoy this plugin because it's actually gonna help. It's gonna help your mix sound really, really nice, because just with your headphones, you can just emulate various environments. You can hear how this is gonna sound in the club. Let me go to the club, for example. Let me go to the club. All right, so we can just see how it's gonna sound in a concert hall. Yeah, so. Nightclub. So guys, just go try out Real Phones, and you're gonna get a 60% off when you use my code, or you also get like 41 days free trial period when you use my code. So the link to this is gonna be in the description. It's gonna really improve your mix, guys. Trust me. You can trust me. It's gonna really improve your mix. All right, so quickly, I think that's basically the whole vibe. Then we have some just transitions. Let me just bring the shakers from the beginning. Yeah. All right. So quickly, I'm just going to add some transitions. And for my transitions, I'm just going to go over to Splice. Just pick some nice transitions. Then go for some nice drum feel. So for the drum feel, yeah, I'm just going to use this. Let me not too stress. I think this is going to work. I feel like the vocal is a bit fast. I don't know. If you know me, moody cracked. On a negotiate from international. Yeah, we have a vibe. I think I should not be rounding up. Yeah, man. So this is, how to make an Ozedikus type beat. A groovy, bouncy, lots of percussions going in, nice bass line, simple melody. Shout out to Ozedikus, an amazing, amazing producer. So let's listen to the vibe once more from the top, guys. Yeah, man, so you can see that basically any beat you hear out there, simple to make. Shout out to Ozedikus. And if you like videos like this, just let me know in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up. If you are yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you definitely get notified when next I post. And in case you want to try out real phones, the link to get your 60% off is in the description of this video. So just go try it out. Or if you want to try it out, also there's a link for you to get 41 days free to try out real phone. Trust me, guys, it's gonna make your mix sound really amazing. So let me know what you guys think, and let me also know the next producer you guys want me to make a beat like. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.